for this video, I am going to teach you how to deposit a Toncoin on Tonkeeper. So the process is pretty straightforward, and the first thing that you need to do is to simply open up Tonkeeper app on your device, and then you'll land onto the home screen. And on the section right here, just make sure that you have selected or you are in the wallet that you want to deposit in. And once you are in here, you'll see these different sections or features. So you can send, receive, scan, swap, buy and sell, and also stake. Now, if you want to deposit using your credit card, or I'm so sorry, not credit card, using your debit card and other tools, so you need to go for buy and sell. So tap on it, then you'll be able to see different options that you can use for it to be able to do that. But for now, let us go with transact, which is the third option right here. So tap onto it, and it says right here, you are opening an external app. So it says, again, I'm going to tap it. You are opening external app not operated by Tonkeeper. And if you're okay with it, just tap buy Ton. So let it load for a few seconds. And then once you are in here, you'll be able to see on this upper part right here, the amount that you need to pay and also the amount that you receive in a Ton. So now, let us select first the currency that we're going to pay with. So I'm just going with USD, hit that, and then on this section right here, you'll be able to see different payment method. So you can just simply select the payment method that you want to use. So I'm just going to stick with card payment, and also right here, again, you'll be able to see the amount that you will receive in your Tonkeeper wallet. So if you're okay with that, you can just go ahead and tap the buy now button situated on the bottom part of your screen and just go through all the process that you need to do for it to be able to deposit your Toncoin here in Tonkeeper app. So now once you have done that, I'm going to show you another method that you can deposit. So go for the receive option right here. So once you have done that, then you'll be able to see this your wallet address displayed both as a QR code and also as a text string. You can either share your QR code with the sender or just copy the wallet address by clicking or by tapping the copy address button situated right here. And if you're transferring TON from another wallet or an exchange, you will need to paste this address in the withdrawal section of the platform. And if you are depositing TON from a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, KuCoin, or OKX, log in to your exchange account and navigate to the withdrawal page, choose Toncoin as the withdrawal asset, paste your Tonkeeper wallet address, and enter the amount that you want to send. And after entering the details, double check your wallet address and the amount before confirming the transaction. And depending on the exchange or wallet, the transfer could take a few minutes to process. So once you have confirmed or the transaction is confirmed, you can return to your Tonkeeper app. You'll see incoming deposit in your transaction history, and it will first appear as pending, and after confirmation, your new balance will be updated. So then you'll be able to see your Toncoin balance on your homepage again. So that's basically it. Those are all the steps that you need to do for to be able to deposit Toncoin in your Tonkeeper app. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.